This is how you send and accept a collaborator access request in Shopify. If you're working on someone's Shopify store or managing one for a client, this is a secure way to get access. First, log into your Shopify partner account. On your dashboard, click Stores. And then from here, just click on Request Access to Store. Next, you will need to select the permissions that you want, but first you have to paste in the store URL that you want to get access to. So for example, this is the store that I want to have access to. For example, this is the URL. I'm just going to copy paste that and then paste it. Although this is not associated to a shop, but I hope that you get the point. And then from here, you will need again to select the permissions that you want, like access to products, themes, orders, and apps. At the bottom, you will see a box asking for collaborator request code. If the store owner has given you one, enter it here. And if you don't have it yet, you can request it or you can just leave it blank. It's optional unless required. Now, once you're done, let's fill this out first. Again, let's just click on any permissions that you want. For example, for the administration, I'm going to click on checkout and then orders. I'm going to edit orders, set payment terms. For example, these are only the things that I'm going to do with that account. And you can also send a message here if you want. Now, once you're done, just click on request access to share and then it will automatically be sent to your boss or whoever you are requesting the access to. As a store owner, if you're accepting the request, just make sure you review which permissions the partner is asking for. You can edit or revoke them later anytime. And that's how you send and accept a collaborator access request in Shopify.